Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Slack integrations for enhanced productivity, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Slack workspace. Navigate to the Slack app directory. Use the search bar to find specific integrations or browse through categories. Select the integration you wish to deploy. Click on Install or Add to Slack. You may need to grant necessary permissions for the integration. Follow any additional prompts or instructions on the screen. Once installed, configure the settings as needed for your team. Access the integration settings by clicking on Apps in Slack. Select your installed integration to customize features. Explore options like notifications, channel settings, and user preferences. Test the integration to ensure it's functioning as expected. Communicate with your team about the new integration. Provide resources or documentation for them to understand its use. Encourage feedback to make necessary adjustments to the integration. Monitor its impact on productivity over time. Make further changes as needed based on team input and performance metrics. Continue to explore additional integrations to enhance productivity in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.